At this point, I think Google intentionally gets the leaks out there. With the launch on May 10th at Google I/O, we do have high quality photos, a hands-on video from Vietnam, and a full spec info on the Pixel 7a. Let's get right into it. The Pixel 7a is obviously powered by the Tensor G2 chipset. It is going to come with 8 gigs of DDR5 RAM and 128 gigs of storage. From the looks, the device shares a lot in resemblance with the Pixel 7 from last year, but the 7a comes with a smaller 6.1-inch 90Hz Full HD Plus OLED display. The display sports 2 cameras, a standard wide and an ultra wide, with rumors suggesting it's going to be a 64 megapixel camera, but personally, I think Google might just stick with a camera from the 6a, which is a 12.2 megapixel wide and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. One thing is for sure, it's definitely not going to have the 50 megapixel camera from the Pixel 7 Pro. For its price, it's likely going to be $450 like its predecessor, but we could see a $500 price tag due to the growing cost of components. Now, a quick one on the flagship Pixels of this year, the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. Let's get the obvious out of the way. The Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will have the all-new Tensor G3 processor, which is obviously produced by Samsung. It's going to be a modified version of the Exynos 2300 chipset. There's no concrete info on its performance at the moment. From the CAD leaks, we do have some renders of the device courtesy of OnLeaks. And here is all we have. Firstly, the display of the Pixel 8 is at 6.2 inches, which is an inch smaller than its predecessor. The 8 Pro maintains its 6.7-inch size, just like the 7 Pro. The 8 is also ever so slightly curved than the 7 in a side-by-side photograph comparison. The non-Pro Pixel will sport a 2-camera setup as usual, and the Pro variant, well, that's where things get a little interesting. It sports a 3-camera setup, which is a little different from its predecessor, as these cameras are together in a singular cutout instead of the split we saw in the Pixel 7. But there's also something much more unusual on the Pixel 8 Pro camera visor, a sensor which is under the LED flash, and it's thought to be a LiDAR scanner. So guys, that's all we pretty much have for now. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll be back when I find something new.